I need you to project, nigga. That way I can hear this music and you.
Alright.
Come on.
I'm gonna open this shit up.
Come on. Project. Bring it up. Bring it up.
Alright. Yeah, I'm out here living the life. Go ahead, yeah, know that I'm living the life. Yeah, he be living life. Yeah, they say, Pac-Man, you doing it right. Yeah, I do it right, and I get it tight. I done came up from nothing, right? But the boy out here hustling, trying to get this money. I'm ballin' here, right? Go ahead and let me kill it. Pac-Man, I'm coming with it. They say I speak they real, so that boy gotta kill it. I be just wildin' out, doing my thing, smiling now. I'm out here making money, doing it big, just wildin' out. Yeah, they ask me where I been to hell and back. Now I'm ready to go to heaven, so that's where I'm at. They say Pac-Man be killing flows, now I'll do that. They say just what you do, man, I chop and screw that. But I don't give a that's how a nigga feel. These niggas hating, talking down, cause I keeps it real. They wanna box and shit, but I ain't worried about them niggas. Because my niggas got my back, yeah, they got them triggers. And I just kill it every time the boy be coming with it. They say Pac-Man a beast, so everybody know I kill it. They know just how I'm feeling, so the boy he coming with it. And I be wildin' now, showing my edge, just styling now. Everybody hating. They wanna see me in them jails, but they know little Ruben got God on his back like, man, I be just killing flows. Young Angel out in this hoe. Yes, I'm gone like a star. Yes, they see me superstar. And I be riding, just creeping low. They say, yeah, where you been? In the studio, trying to make it big, doing something with my life. Yeah, they say Pac-Man wrong, but I'm right. And yes, I'm switching lanes, I switch them hoes left to right. I put the swagger up, top dollar, that's top flight. Go on ahead and do it, yeah, the hoes, we get into it. All these pussy ass niggas just know just how I do it. But I don't bump no guns, I always know I keep that gun. Yeah, I be wildin', yeah, but I ain't got no son. And I be killing flows, daddy, yeah, he is a hoe. But I ain't trippin', cause I'm out here making paper though. And I got money, I don't give a fuck. Lil Ruben, I'm coming up. They say why I do this shit, I do this shit for fun, bruh. I really don't give a damn what a nigga got to say, I slap him, man. Put the 9 up in my hand, and you know that the boy be trappin', man. Let me tell you what I do. I don't give a damn about you, but my mind is so gone. You know just how I do. I just eat the beat and chillin' with my fucking crew. And yeah, we get high, sippin' on some leanin' too.